Guys, today I'm showing you old magazines and old car manuals. Come on. 1967. Hasn't even been opened, guys. 1956 Ford. Car shop manual. Pretty cool. 1964 Dodge technical service manual. Wow. Look at this. 1962 Buick. This is something, guys. Wow. Just history. 1965 Oldsmobile. Pretty cool, man. 1970 Pontiac Firebird. 1929 to 1948. Everything you need to know in this book. Wow. 1956 to 1957 Corvette factory assemble manual. 1962 Cadillac shop manual book. Wow. 1970s service manual for Chrysler. Look at this, 1969. This is crazy, man. So old. Wow. Definitely gotta find these people here. Look at this. Never been open. Definitely check this out, man. Wow. Guys, look at the 1956 Lincoln maintenance manual. Look at this 1972 shop manual for the Cadillac. That's something. Wow. Look at this old magazine. Crazy. Something. Look at this. 1973. Something from 1977.
What are the photos for?
Oh, I got YouTube. This right here. Wow. History. July 15th, 1962, guys. And look at this. Michigan International Speedway. I don't know when's this from. Maybe it'll tell me if I click it. I don't. 1977. Wow. And look at this, 1981. This is something. Wow, the official program. Sebring, Florida. March 2nd, March 21st, 1959. Look at this. March 13th, 1955. This is history. Look at this 1971 souvenir program. Wow. Oh yeah, midget. Look at this. September 14th through 15th, 1951. Something. 50 cents. 100 years of trucking, 1898 to 1998. Wow. Something. Look at this official program, Palm Beach Shores. 50 cents from December 8th and 9th. And look at this. September 16th, 1961.